Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very simple but very tasty recipe, which is caramel popcorn. We eat a lot of popcorn during the winter time, and we usually put in our spice and salt and paprika. So today we are just going to make it into sweet popcorn. I've got my stove on moderate heat, and this is my popcorn making pot. The reason being the lid seals very well. It's quite an old pot though. In my pot I have a tablespoon of oil, and here I have 1/3 of a cup of popcorn seed. It's about 2 minutes and my popcorn started to burst. So this is what I usually do. Still over the flame, I give it a good shake so all the seeds will be able to burst. And I continue shaking till it's all burst. When the sound stops, so my popcorn seeds are all popped. My popcorn seed has popped, and now I'm gonna leave this one side. Now to make my caramel, I've got my non-stick frying pan over the flame. Here I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and to the sugar I'm going to add in 50 gram of butter and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. I have got salted butter, but if you have got unsalted butter, you can add in a pinch of salt to it. So now my frying pan is hot, so I'm going to start off firstly with my brown sugar. I'm going to sprinkle it in thoroughly. And I'll allow the sugar to melt. We won't stir our sugar because it will crystallize. So we'll leave it to melt as it is. Now my sugar is beginning to caramelize, so I'm just going to lower my heat a little. Now all my sugar is melted, so I'm just going to add in my butter. I'm going to be very careful at this point because sugar burns. Now with my butter melted, I'm going to add in my half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. And give it a quick mix. Using bicarbonate soda brings up the fluffiness of the sugar. My caramel is smelling lovely and it fropped up a lot. To this I'm going to add in my popcorn. And mix this popcorn. And I'm even going to switch the stove off and continue mixing the popcorn. You had to work with the caramel while it's hot. Now my popcorn is coated well, and it's so tempting to eat it from the pan, but as I said to you, sugar will burn you. Therefore, I'm going to put it into this tray where it will cool down. We will allow this to cool for 10 minutes before serving. There you go, your caramel popcorn. As it will cool down, it will get stuck together, but you can separate. This is a very good snack for the cold winter's night when you're having a movie night. This can also be made as a good lunchbox fuller for the kids. Yeah, I made a small amount just for Pranesh. If you want, you can double this amount and feed more people. This is a simple and easy recipe. I hope you all enjoy. Catch you all on the next video.